Don't dada to the line, don't dada to the line, don't dada to the line.
Well, now let's go. Dada on this one again. Hey, man, see, bro. Did feed this beat? I dey feel you, bro. Give me the beat again, Correct guy. Relax, Baba, see. Okay. The best part of my day, now when I see you smile. The best stress around me, now when I know your heart. Living life without you, no, they make sense. Now the reason why I choose you, my princess.
Don't dada to the line, don't dada.
The best part of my day, now when I see you smile. The best stress around me, now when I know your heart. Living life without you, no, they make sense. Oh boy, guy, I dey feel this jam well. Time, Mama, see. Over the song to make sense. This guy could die. I don't know where they get inspiration from. Child. Oh, but that guy too good. The guy too good, bro. I guess I don't got his sign up for me himself. Don't be this song where this guy been sing that year. Bobby Shmurda. Bobby Shmurda, man. See. Don't that not be song go just record Nana.
Jesus is Lord.
Don't dada to the line, don't dada.
See, my brother, as you watch that video, you know like oh yeah, click the like button, the thumbs up, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Correct guy. Don't dada say so.
Don't dada to the line, don't dada.